Hey everyone. So now that you have a little bit of an idea about what we're going to be working on, today you are actually going to make your first post as the president. So by now you should have created your Google Sites, which shouldn't have anything on it yet, but you may have chosen a format or a theme that you like for your design. The website you're working on with all your assignments is made from Google Sites, so you can get some ideas from there as well. And I'll post an example of what a finished website should look like. So you just finished watching the CNN 10 video. I would like you to choose one of the three stories that Carl Azuz covered. You're going to choose just one, and you're going to think about the article that you read yesterday about the missing person investigation. Think about how that article was written. It's all fact. There's no opinion. So whatever you write about should just cover the facts. And you don't need to add your opinion in it because you want everybody to just get what's happening in the story, and that's all. So you're going to go into your blog website. You're going to make a new post. You're going to type up a little bit about the story as if nobody has heard the story from anywhere else. So you need to give enough detail that they know what you're talking about. And once you have that story up, make sure that everything is saving, and you can publish if you want to, and we will be revising again tomorrow.